Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. Now we are in Santa Claus village. This looks pretty dramatic. And we are gonna see Santa now. Inside the Santa village you can see this is the Arctic Circle line, and you can also get a certificate for 6 euros. This is the breakfast buffet that you get when you're on the cruise. It is our 6th day of trip and we are back to Stockholm. We are at the same ferry point from where we boarded on the 2nd day. And from here we will be heading now towards Copenhagen, and it's going to be a long bus journey. Now we are in Copenhagen, and yeah, we are going to explore the city and see how it looks. As you guys already know, I have been doing this trip with an agency called PM to AM Trips. So we are now in Copenhagen and exploring the city on foot. The city is quite beautiful and you will find many people riding on bicycles here. Around 55% of the population drives bicycle here. And this is a city square which looks quite beautiful. When in Copenhagen, this is another great thing that you can explore. It's a amusement park called Tivoli, not far from the city center, but unfortunately it's closed today. So in Copenhagen you have a Tivoli food hall where you can try the ramen, and it's really amazing. I'm trying some duck ramen here. So not far from the city center, around approximately 1.5 kilometers, you have a boat ride. You can just Google it and you'll find that. It costs you around 15 euro. You can also do online booking. And now we are here. We will be doing the boat ride. The boats are every 30 to 40 minutes until 5:20, which is the last boat. Basically you will be traveling through a lot of Finland cities when you are on a trip with PM to AM trips or any other. The main motive was to see the northern lights, which I got to see, and other than that I didn't vlog much about the city. But yeah, it's nice. You get some time for grabbing lunch and stuff, and then explore some castles and some cathedrals.